Hi, this is Rachel. Now I'm here to explain about security tools. Donald J. Trump has repeatedly blasted Hillary Clinton for handling classified documents on her private email servers, suggesting that anyone who is so lax with email security isn't fit to become president. But a closer look at the websites for each candidate shows that, in contrast to HillaryClinton.com, DonaldTrump.com has failed to take full advantages of a free and open email security technology designed to stem email spoofing and phishing attacks. At issue is a fairly technical proposed standard called DMARC, short for Domain Based Messaging Authentication, Reporting and Conformance. DMARC tries to solve a problem that has plagued email since its inception. It's surprisingly difficult for email providers and end users alike to tell whether a given email is real. That is, that it really was sent by this person or organized identified in the form portion of the message. DMARC may not yet be widely deployed beyond the major email providers, but that's about to change. Google announced last year that it would soon move Gmail.com to a policy of rejecting any messages that do not pass the authentication checks spelled out in the DMARC specification. Probably the earliest way to understand DMARC is to walk through a single site's recordings. According to DMARC compliance lookup tool at dmarcin.com, a DMARC awareness training and support site, HillaryClinton.com has fully implemented DMARC. This means that the uh, campaign has posted a public policy that enables email providers like Google, Microsoft, and Yahoo to quickly determine whether a message claiming to have been sent from HillaryClinton.com was actually sent from the domain. Specifically, DMARC sites on top of two existing technologies that try to make email easy to identify: Sender Policy Framework and Domain Keys Identified Mail. SPF is basically a list of internet addresses and domains which are authorized to send email on behalf of HillaryClinton.com. DKIM allows email receivers to verify that a piece of email originated from an internet domain through the use of public key cryptography. Deploying both technologies gives receivers two-way to configure out if a piece of email is legitimate. The remark record for Clinton's site includes a text string P quarantine. The P bit stands for policy and quarantine means the website administrators have instructed email providers to quarantine all messages sent from address or domains not on that list and not signed with DKIM, effectively consigning them to the intended recipient's spam and junk folder. Another blocking option available is P is equal to reject, which tells email providers to outright drop or reject any mail sent from domains or addresses not specified in the organization's SPF records and lacking any appropriate DKIM signatures. One tool is a mesh Wi-Fi router built for security, user-friendly and it is secure. Hardly anyone would pick either word to describe the vast majority of wireless routers in use today. So naturally, I was intrigued a year ago when I had the chance to pre-order a EERO, a new Wi-Fi system built as easy to use, designed with security in mind, and able to dramatically extend the range of a wireless network without compromising speed. The standard EERO Wi-Fi system comes with the three EER devices, each about the width of a square poster and roughly an inch thick. Every individual ERRO WRO unit has two built-in Wi-Fi radios that are designed to hand off traffic with the other two units. This two radios as radio aspect is important as most consumer devices that are made and marketed as Wi-Fi range extenders or repeaters contain only one radio and thus end up having the speed of the repeated Wi-Fi signal. The makers of WRO recommended one device for every 1000 square feet and advised planning one device no further than 40 feet from another. Each ERO has two Ethernet ports in the back, but only one of these EROs need to be connected directly into a modem with an Ethernet cable. That means that a three-piece ERO set has a total of 5 available Ethernet ports or at least one open Ethernet port at each ERO location. Most wireless routers require owners to configure the device by using a hardwired computer or laptop, opening a browser and navigating to a numeric internet addresses to enter some default set credentials. Once you have assigned each ERO a unique location, and as long as the three devices can take to each other, the network should be set up. The entire process from placing and plugging in the EROs to setting up the network took me about 5 minutes, but most of that was just me walking from one room or floor to the next to adjust the local location of the devices. That's all. Thank you.